Okay, so this is the path that we're following, and then we just came up these stairs right here. So we're about to check out to see where exactly this takes us, which I'm excited because it could be a beautiful view, or it could be just another side to go to other trails. So let's find out.
Alrighty.
You can see, look how they made the stairs, the steps here. I think that's pretty unique. Okay, so I see where this is going. It looks like it takes us to a location of more shrines, but the pathway still keeps on going. So let's just keep following. So it looks like this is one of the old shrines that they have. You can tell the steps go right up here. And these are the newer ones. So as we can tell, this is basically a location where shrines are located at. You can tell that some flowers are left behind for these personnel down here. So we're gonna go back to the other path and continue walking, and let's find out what else we got down there.